An agorapreneur? If you believe in freedom, in liberty, and living your life the way you want, voluntarily interacting with others, you probably are an agorapreneur. Hi, I'm Terry Brock, and I'm the head of Agorapreneurs. We formed the organization to help people who want to live their life in freedom, in liberty, being able to do what you want to do as long as you do not harm someone else, initiating force against them. What you do is you live your life the way you want. Kind of keep your hands to yourself. You remember what they told us in kindergarten? Yeah, that's the key. You live your life your way, helping others, engaging in income generation, engaging in entrepreneurial activities, and living life the way you want. Freedom, liberty. You live your life in a way that helps you to achieve your goals, helps you to earn business and interact with others freely. And when you think about it, what right does anyone else have to come and tell you how you are going to live your life? Just because some people get together and they all vote and they decide this person is going to take guns and hurt us? No, that's not moral, that's not ethical. People living freely and voluntarily with each other is really what it's about. And what you can do is you can work in an environment that is largely entrepreneurial, has been always on planet Earth anyway. People, think about it, 1,000 years ago, most everyone was an entrepreneur. It wasn't like there were big corporations that hired people and then they formed unions and demanded higher wages and things like that. No, just didn't happen. What you did though, you did have people who felt they were lord over you. They called themselves lords, didn't they? Yeah, they called themselves kings, they called themselves queens, and they felt that somehow God in heaven had anointed them to tell you how to live your life and what you could and couldn't do. Along came this thing called the Enlightenment, which said, wait a minute, you are a person. You have a right to control your life the way you want, as long as you're not harming another person. That's the key. And so what we did is we established things like property rights. So that way you've got something that is yours and you decide who owns this. If everyone owns something, then really nobody owns it. What you want is the idea of people interacting with each other, being able to live their lives the way they want. That's what being an agorapreneur is all about. Agora from the Greek word of open spaces and the idea of people living freely, people living voluntarily. That's what it's about. What do you think? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you very much for joining us.